Hey, what's up y'all? Wanted to do a quick how-to video to build a temporary or removable acoustic wall in your apartment. We had this exposed brick wall. I wanted to insulate it from the neighbors. They weren't crazy loud or anything, but just wanted a little more privacy. And I got a home cinema surround sound system that we got coming in, so I want to play movies loud and not disturb our neighbors. So I started researching online and found these Dekiru foam insulation, or actually they're like felted panels available on Amazon. So what we're gonna do is use simple 1x4s, 5/8 inch sheetrock, packing blankets underneath that, and these acoustic tiles. It's proven to have a pretty effective dampening effect and pretty happy with results. So I thought I'd share this in case you were dealing with some. So I wanted to get onto the wall not only a piece of drywall, which is a nice dense like sound dampening material, but packing blankets behind it. So the sound has these different materials it has to pass through, getting dampened along the way. I took these 1x4s and cut them to length vertically and screwed them into the nice and secure molding and floorboards on the bottom. These are going to be totally removable. You're not going to get dinged. You know, if your landlord wants to keep the acoustic wall, great. If you want to remove it and ditch it when you move out, that's fine too. These felted acoustic tiles get held to the wall, to the drywall itself, using these scotch double-sided foam squares. I got them in packs of 100 off Amazon. You got to buy in bulk. You don't want to break the bank, buying these retail from like Lowe's or whatever. Yeah, so you get the idea. I'll just walk through some of these process pics here. Basically, I just needed to cover this 12-foot section, so it's 4, 4, and 4. 4 times 3 is 12, and we have sheets of drywall here. Up at the top, I needed to, a little bit longer than 8 feet, so I just created an extra little section. Order an extra sheet, one more sheet than you think you'll need in drywall. That's a process shot of putting these tiles up. I did the bottom row first. I had a little bit of issue with the uneven floorboards, which created some gaps. So you're gonna have to figure out how you wanna grid this out. But here's a little cluster of offcuts from the process that I stuck to the wall. I'll probably take this down. It's a fun little art installation. You could actually get multiple colors and create a pretty cool design. They sell these things. And this is the white color, by the way. It's not. Yeah, you get the idea. I think all in, this was probably about a $500 project, maybe something more like $450. I have a bunch of these acoustic tiles left over that I'm excited to use in the actual surround sound room. Maybe I'll post a video of that setup later. But that's about it. I saw a bunch of more kind of complicated solutions on YouTube, ones that involved more permanent kind of builds, and we rent, so that wasn't gonna be an option. I wanted something that, in like 3, 4, or 5 years, if we move out, like I can just scrap and spackle up and no one will be the wiser. And beyond that, so like you might have seen this like green glue stuff, which looked really effective but expensive. So this is kind of a middle of the road, like not crazy cheap, but like doable and easy to execute solution. So finding it very effective, and hope this helps because there's a lot of clutter out there. All right, y'all, have a good day.